Hey, this is Chris with AffiliateTuber.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels or even YouTube accounts using phone numbers you can find online very cheap. Now, my name is Chris Derenberger and I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and have been since 2013. You can learn more about me and my products under this video in the description box. I'll put some links. You can join my video marketing group and check out some of the other resources I have there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now for this example, I already have a YouTube account created with a specific Gmail address. Now if you're just starting to create your Gmail account and don't have that or your YouTube account, you can still use this method for that to verify your accounts. But what I'm going to do inside this YouTube account I already have is I am going to create another channel on this account, and then I'm going to show you how to verify it. So the first thing you want to do is, if you already have a YouTube account, log into it and then go to youtube.com/account. You'll be taken to this page. You want to click on create a new channel. Once this is loaded, you want to give it a name, and I'm just going to call it test account. Click create. Okay. Now this is where it gets fun because they want a phone number to verify your account. And what do you do if you don't have any more phone numbers? Because they will only let you use the same phone number twice to verify an account. And when you run out, well, it's kind of hard to get another one. Well, what you want to do is you want to go to this website right here. This is smspva.com. You want to go here, you want to set up an account, and you want to add $5 or $10 into it. They have different ways that you can deposit money into it. I usually use the method for PayPal. You simply come up here and you go down to balance, add funds, and what I will do is usually this option here for PayPal too. And when you do this, it's going to ask you how much money do you want to have. And so normally I would do this one here for $11.50. So you click on one piece. You enter your PayPal email address here and click generate bill. And what it's going to do is it's going to send you a PayPal invoice that you can pay. It'll be $11.50 or whatever you choose. And after you pay that, shortly after, they're going to send you a code. And what you want to do with that is go up here to your account under refill code and put that code in and hit enter. And when you do, it's going to give you money in your account for that. Now, once you have all that set up and you have funds in your account, you want to come over here to the countries. Now, a lot of people get confused with this and they constantly ask me, okay, I have to have United States numbers. No, you don't have to have United States numbers to verify an account. In fact, the majority of the time, I use Russian, Ukraine, or this one here, just because they're so cheap. So if I do Russian and just stay with it, I can scroll down here and see all the numbers they have available, okay, for creating accounts. And so what I want to do is make sure that I choose the right one. So we're going to scroll down to Gmail and YouTube. And you can see currently they have 577 phone numbers available and they're 10 cents a piece. So what I can do is I can click this star. That way it'll remember this choice. I'm going to scroll back to the top and I'm going to click this star here. And it's only going to show me the ones that I starred, which was the Gmail and YouTube, so I can filter out all the rest. Now, when I'm ready to verify my account, which right now I'm ready for it, and you want to wait to this point, you want to wait until it's asking you for the phone number before you ever get it, because you're limited on time as to how long you can have this. So when you're ready, you want to come down here and click on Gmail, YouTube, and get number. Now when you do, it's going to wait a few seconds and then a phone number is going to pop up right here they're going to give you to use. Now normally this only takes a matter of just 2 to 3 seconds, and for some reason it's taking much longer. Here we go. I just want to copy this number and I'm going to paste it in here. Now sometimes these numbers don't work. Sometimes you may have to go through a few of them to find one that works. But I find that the Russian numbers, they typically work about 70 to 80% of the time. So we'll do this. Make sure you do a text message, SMS. Click continue. Okay, this phone number is invalid. Please try again. So we'll go back. I'll choose to refuse this number. Okay, so I've already tried a few numbers and for some reason they are all rejecting it. I'm getting the message that the number cannot be used for verification, which happens sometimes, but for some reason it's happening way more frequently right now than what it usually does. So what I'm going to do is just go down here to United Kingdom. These are 50 cents and they normally work, so we'll see if it does. Click Get Number, copy phone number, make sure we change our country to United Kingdom and paste it in, and let's see if it'll work. Okay, this one works. So you may have to go that route, 50 cents to create your own account. But the thing is, you're going to have to use this number twice, so it's actually going to cost you $1 because once you create your account, then you have to verify it. So you can see here it's already got the activation code. It just showed up right here, so we're going to copy the activation code. And you want to remember that you are on a time limit here, so if this goes down, the number goes away. So make sure you do it within that amount of time. Paste your verification code, continue. Now what we want to do from here is we want to go to youtube.com/features. Okay, and then we want to click on verify. And now we're going to do this again. Now what I'm finding is that this verification here is different than the one we just done. For some reason, this one's not near as strict. So what I'm going to try to do is we're going to try to use the Russian one for this one since it's so much cheaper. And we'll go back, click on Russia. We can close this one since we used it. Click on Russia, get the number, and let's see if this one works. So for some reason that last number never did give me a code. I waited about 5 minutes, so I just refused it and I grabbed another one, and this one gave me a code right away, so we're just going to use it and come back to verify it and click continue, and that's all there is to it. So now we have a double verified YouTube account that we can use for uploading, having longer videos. We can use custom thumbnails on it. It says enable embed live streams. You can't do that, but live streaming you're eligible, so we can enable that. So we go to this page and it says it'll be ready within 24 hours. So that's really all there is to it, to creating double verified accounts, is using this here. And there's another one you can use too called getsmscode.com. But I prefer to use this one. This one usually works better. For some reason I had a hard time dealing with it today, but normally you will have better results with it. So that's all there is to it with creating multiple YouTube accounts. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please leave a comment under this video and let me know that you enjoyed this video. That way I know and I can make other types of videos related to this. And I got a lot of other videos on my channel related to video marketing, tutorials, trainings, and also product reviews you guys can check out. So I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, take care.